Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to go over some basic maintenance on your swing hopper. This will apply whether you have a Redano or the Brandt Extend or the standard hopper. So the main thing is to make sure that you grease the bearings, and you want to be greasing them daily, especially the ones down in the front of the hopper. So the U-joints, the two bearings on the augers, and then also open up the door behind me here and go in and grease the U-joint in there and the bearing on the transition. Reason being is we get a lot of guys talking about it, both at the parts counter and at the farm, that they have to replace those bearings every year. And unfortunately, they just run in a crappy environment. There's a lot of dust, there's a lot of dirt. And if you keep those things greased every day, you push some of that dirt back out. Don't worry about putting too much grease. Give them a good 4 or 5 pumps. If it pushes past the seal, that's fine, because there's so much material rubbing on those seal surfaces that there's dirt getting pushed in there all the time. So you want to push some of that past slightly. Best time to do it is when you shut down for the last time at night, because those bearings are warm. You can put that grease in there. I know you're going to say, Shane, we just want to go home and go to bed at 1 in the morning or whatever time it is. That's the best time to grease them. Then you're going to go home and have a shower and you'll be fresh for the morning. But just make sure that you give them lots of grease, and that'll hopefully help to extend the life of those bearings. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.